today's video is my 9-month post-op video. Yay! So actually I'm really late with doing this because my 9-month mark was actually on Christmas Day, and as of today I'm officially over 10 months post-op. So nothing has changed from month 9 to month 10. What I will tell you is that I just watched my 6-month post-op video and I'm like, damn, that was a great video. And I forgot everything that I spoke about. So definitely rewatch that video or watch it if you haven't seen it. So link down below for that video. All right, so what has changed between the 6-month mark and the 9-month mark? Really nothing per my doctor's instructions other than wearing the garment. Technically, I just need to wear it for 6 hours a day from month 9 to the official 1-year mark, while the 6-month mark, it was 12 hours a day minimally. Now, what I will tell you is that I am definitely one of those crazy faja wearing girls. I love wearing it. Love, love, love. I love feeling compact and tight and just like all put together. I love the shape that it gives me. I actually still wear it all day, every day. I never take it off. Now, mind you, clearly, like if I go on a date or something special, I will of course take it off. Just like I mentioned in my 6-month post-op video that let's say I don't want to wear my garment or it doesn't work with the straps or whatnot, I will wear the waist trainer and the compression shorts or just the waist trainer, just depending on if it works with the outfit or not. Definitely I'm not saying that you have to wear your garment all the time. It just depends on what kind of look you are after, like post-op. So all the girls that I have followed and still follow that are post-op, years post-op, they still wear their garment all the time and their bodies are amazing. So I definitely want to like keep on it, and like I said, I just love wearing it. It does not bother me one bit. I am also very single, so I have to take it off for nobody. Okay, so as for extra things, so I still get my lymphatic massages really about every like 2 to 4 weeks depending on what my body is doing. There was a time where I went like, I think it was 4 or 5 weeks, and I had been doing some drinking during that time, and I was swollen. My feet were like swollen back up again, like my ankles and everything. I wasn't able to like fit into my shoes. So getting those massages like just takes all that away. It's amazing. Also, I mentioned with the fibrosis on my stomach how I had just gotten my 2nd treatment. So I actually received 4 total treatments from her, and here are the results. Like seriously amazing. Helped my fibrosis so much. Also, I mentioned that I could exercise, and yeah, I did those couple things, but to tell you the truth, like Christmas, and then I got like really sick for 3 weeks, I haven't done anything. So I really need to get on that, just being active. You know, I unfortunately live in a climate where it snows and it's really cold in the Midwest, so I can't just like go outside for a walk. I always watch all these girls on Instagram that are in like California that are still walking outside, and I am very jealous of them. So one of the big things that has changed and I'm really excited about is that I no longer have any nerve pain in my hip from wearing too tight of a waist trainer over my garment. So that's very exciting. And also I do not experience any more of like that achy booty that I had mentioned that I would like randomly get at night, or just sometimes just a random feeling. Also, something for my long nail girls. If you'd been watching any of my other videos, you may have noticed that like these 2 fingers were cut down really short and these like were longer. That was because I literally could not put my garment on with these 2, which are like your hooking fingers. So you may have to do that, or like I had in the very beginning, like no nails at all, which hurts my soul. But now I'm back, and this is the first time I haven't cut them down, and I think I got it down officially with these long nails. So I'm really excited about that. All right, so now I'm gonna just show you what I look like now. I'm gonna guess not much is different, has changed since my 6-month mark. If anything, I feel like I'm a little bit bigger from the holidays. So I'm definitely needing to like get back down after that. But yeah, so let's zoom this camera out. All right, so here's my body. What I will mention is that I had this waist trainer on last time. I do love this waist trainer. It is amazing. But I'm still measuring at the same 28-inch waist, and my hips are around the 46 inches. Again, I don't think the back looks any different. Of course, this is like my full booty, but here's what I look like. I think it's the same, but there she is. Now I'm going to answer some questions that some of you have asked on my Instagram. So one of my favorites, Miss Sassy Rose, love you. Do you plan to have anything else done? If so, what do you plan to do in the States or overseas? Also, that it's been a few months, do you know more about the process? What is your most valuable lesson learned? So for future procedures, yes, I will say that I am looking into getting J-plasma or something of that nature to assist with some of the loose skin on my stomach from the liposuction. You know, I had a lot of liposuction. I'm not sure if you remember from my prior videos, but Dr. Medina said she took out 10 liters out of me. So that's a lot for sure. Clearly I look completely different because of that, which is amazing. But I do on my stomach definitely have some loose skin, which was like my problem area, which was on the top of my stomach. So I'm looking into getting some J-plasma in the States because that is something that is not an aggressive treatment. Now, lesson learned, I would say, I know a lot of doctors in the United States will also suggest using J-plasma with your liposuction. So I'm not sure if Dr. Medina offers J-plasma, but maybe ask your doctor if you're getting liposuction if you can add it on, because honestly, having tight skin is clearly the name of the game, like always, especially if you are, you know, getting older and having surgery. Like, why wouldn't you want tight skin? So they can normally do those procedures in tandem, which is really great. So that's probably what I would have asked. I also did not really know about J-plasma or know about having loose skin like after liposuction or after aggressive liposuction. So that's what I would say I would have learned. Another question is, do you still get swollen at the end of the day? And no, I do not. Before I was really getting serious by getting my lymphatic massages. So that has been amazing. Just want to know how you were feeling overall after the surgery. Clearly at this time, I feel like I am 100% me, like no weird discomforts or anything of that nature. Now, I always laugh to myself because even when I got home and like a month later, if someone asked me if I would do it again, my answer was hell no, because it was really painful, 100% for me, you know, like not sugarcoating it. But now clearly if you ask me, I'd be like, you know, if it came up, I would think about it. But also from what I've heard from women who have gone under the knife again after their first procedure, they always say that the second procedure was a lot less painful than the first. Now, I will definitely equate my excess of pain I had because I did have a lot of liposuction, and liposuction is the most painful. Now, I know in my last video, I promised the what to pack and also the FAV video. I swear I will be doing it really quickly. I have just been in this like bizarre, like I don't wanna like film videos, but I'm seriously gonna be making them really soon. So I promise you that. Don't forget to leave me any kind of comments or questions down below. I'm happy to answer them, or if they're questions for my 1-year post-op video, I would love to answer them for you. And please reach out to me on Instagram. Like I mentioned, I absolutely love hearing from you. I get tickled from the whole experience, and I just feel like I'm going through the same positive, uplifting, and empowering experience that I've had during this journey, because this, I always say this, and I'm not trying to sound like I wasn't me before, but having this body and like just how I feel and like putting clothes on, I truly feel like this is the body that my soul resonates with, and it just feels more like me. And I love empowering you if you want to make the exact same decision for yourself, or really doing anything for yourself, because never forget life is short, do you, and when you are happy, the whole world is happy. So thank you all for watching, and we will see you soon.